Hello my friends. Today I will tell you how to configure Vobiz, Twilio, and WhatsApp in our AI voice agent so that you can easily enter the IDs and credentials and start your voice agent. So now we go to our AI voice workflow. As soon as you come here, you can see that our workflow UI has changed a little, and the previous one was a little different. It used to look something like this, and now it looks like this because we have made some updates to it. Compared to the previous one, this is much better and more reliable for users. So now we go to any one workflow. Or for this, you can also create a new workflow. So now as we come into the workflow, let me show you once that we have already added the system and user instructions in the agent node. Now we come to our call section, where we have to go to Twilio. Then we go to outbound. Here you will see a form type where there will be some input values. We have to fill those values. So we will get these directly from the Twilio website. So now we have come to the Twilio website. Here we have to enter our registered email address, then enter the password, and then click on continue. One very important thing, your ID should already be created on Twilio. Only then will you be able to log in or access it. So this is the main dashboard of Twilio. At the top we can see our first project, and then below there is an API key, using which we can run our voice agent. Apart from this, there are some Twilio details here as well. Now the credentials we need for outbound will be available directly on this link, which is API key and auth token. As soon as we click on this, we come to the auth token page. And here we get the account SID, primary auth token, and secondary auth token. We can directly copy-paste these into our Twilio credentials. And here we can enter any trunk name according to our choice. Right now I am entering SIM trunk, and now we create it. Now we have reached the next step, which is Twilio integration setup. Here we have to select the trunk, either the existing one, which already has everything set up, or we can create a new one. So right now we create a new one and proceed. Now we come back to the Twilio website and search for Elastic SIP trunking. We click on it. Now here we can see the name of our new trunk, which is SIM trunk. Now when we click on this SIM trunk, a new page will open in front of us. In that, we have to go to the termination tab. And now we have to go to the origination tab. So here, you can see that our origination URI is completely empty. Now, we have reached the next step, which is Twilio integration setup. Here, our trunk has been successfully created for the outbound call. Now we click on confirm. Then here, we have to select the phone number that we have registered on Twilio for voice calls. Right now, we have only one number, so we select this one and move ahead. So, congratulations, our Twilio integration has been successfully completed. Now again we come to the organization tab in Twilio and refresh it. So now you can see that an organization URI has been created here with the name Smoothflick. Now we move to the next step, configure LiveKit. Here all the details are filled in, whatever was required for our voice agent. Now we copy our name and then go to Twilio. There we click on the termination tab because it is also necessary to add the SIP address. Only then will it start perfectly. And .psn.twilio.com is already there. So instead of copy-pasting the complete thing, we only have to enter the name. So we paste it here. In the credential list, we select the ID that is already created. Right now, I am selecting the test21, and then we save it. Now we enter our auth name and password, which we created for the auth user, the test21, and create it. So now finally, we have completed the Twilio LiveKit outbound integration. Now we test it. So Now we go to initial call. Here we select the trunk, and whatever number we have, we enter it with our country code, and click on the place call button. So now the call is dialing, and our AI can now easily talk to the user. So this was the Twilio configuration. Now next we will tell you about the Vobiz configuration. Vobiz configuration is very easy. We do not have to get into much hassle, and most of the work is almost direct. So now we come to one of our workflows and directly click on the call button. Here we can see the Vobiz section. We click on it. Then we will see two options. One is inbound, which is for receiving a call from the user's side, and the other is outbound, which will make the AI call the user. So now we select outbound. So simple. Here also, we have to enter some input values, and all of these we will get from the official Vobiz website. So now we come to the Vobiz dashboard, and here in the sidebar, we can see outbound trunk. We click on it, and here we will also see the trunks that were created earlier. Now we create a new trunk. For that we will click on Create Trunk and enter the trunk name. And we will create a new credential list where we will enter the username and password and create it. It is important to remember the password because it will be used later. And once this is successfully created, we will select it in the credential list and then click on the Create Trunk button, which will create a new outbound trunk, the SIM agent one. Now we click on it, and from there we will get the SIP domain. We just have to copy it and paste it into the SIP domain part in our Vobiz setup. And we also have to copy-paste the trunk name. You can also enter it according to your choice. Then we come to the Vobiz website, and here we will see the credentials. The new one that we just created may not have appeared yet, so we refresh it once. So now you can see that we have 3 credentials. Now we copy the new one that we created, the SIM agent one, and paste it in the username field in our Vobiz outbound section. And here we have to enter the password that we created for the credential list. We have to enter the correct password, otherwise the voice agent will not work. Okay, so now here we have to enter the number that we bought for Vobiz. So we come to the Vobiz website again, and in the sidebar, we go to the number section. Then we click on My Number, copy our number, and then paste it into the Vobiz outbound section. Now we have entered all the necessary details. Now we click on the Create button. So our Vobiz outbound has been successfully connected. Now we click on Done and check it. So now we come to Initial Call in Execution, and there we select the trunk that we created, the SIM agent one, and we dial the number on which we want to make the call. So now our Vobiz is also working perfectly, and its configuration was also very easy. The only thing is that you must already have an ID created on Vobiz. So this was the Vobiz configuration. Now let me tell you about WhatsApp Connect and how it will work. So now I will show you the WhatsApp configuration and how to connect WhatsApp. First of all, we have to come to our CRM. Then we have to come to the settings section. And then we have to go to the channel tab. Then we will see the connect channel option there, and we have to click on it. There we will see 2 options, which are Gmail and WhatsApp. Gmail will connect directly. That is very easy. Now we have to click on WhatsApp. After coming into it, we get 2 options. One is Bring Your Own Meta account, where we will also have to enter some IDs from Meta. And the other one is Connect Your WhatsApp. This will also work through Meta, but this one is a little simpler. The main thing is that you must have an account created on Meta. And for that, you should always have a separate number. Your real WhatsApp number will not work for this. It requires a business number. Then we will click on Connect WhatsApp, and it will redirect us directly to the developer section of Meta. Then we have to click on Continue, and then we have to choose the business assets for the account that we created for the business. which should be verified from Meta's side. And we have to choose our WhatsApp business number, from which templates and messages will be sent. Then we have to click on Next. Now we have to select a display name, because the same name with which we created the Meta business account should be shown to our users. And then we will click on Next. Now we have done everything. We have selected the number. We have selected the name. Now we just have to confirm it. And now we click on the Confirm button. So now you can see that our account is being connected. It may take some time, a few minutes, because this is the official process, and Meta checks it. So our account is successfully connected. Now we finish this. And now we can easily use this account name and number in our upcoming work. So now you have seen how we can easily connect Vobiz, Twilio, and WhatsApp with our CRM and voice call agent, and smoothly run communication workflows with our AI voice agent. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.